Are you looking for a way to shed those extra pounds and lead a healthier life? Look no further, we have compiled a list of the top 30 healthy recipes for weight loss that will help you on your journey towards a fitter you. Let's dive right in and explore each of these amazing dishes, one after the other. Starting off our list is a classic breakfast favorite, overnight oats. Packed with fiber and nutrients, these oats can keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. With various flavors to choose from, such as berries, chocolate, or peanut butter, you can indulge your taste buds while still maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Next up, we have a refreshing and light option, a mixed green salad. This dish is a fantastic way to incorporate a wide variety of vegetables, offering a high nutrient density and low calorie count. Top it off with a zesty dressing made from fresh lemon juice, olive oil, and herbs for an extra burst of flavor. For those who crave a savory meal, grilled chicken breasts should be your go-to. This lean protein source is not only delicious, but also helps build and repair muscles, while keeping you full for longer. Pair it with a side of steamed vegetables, or a crisp salad to complete a well-balanced meal. Moving on, we have another breakfast option that will satisfy your taste buds. Avocado toast is not only trendy, but also a nutritious choice. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, which provide a feeling of satiety and offer numerous health benefits. Spread mashed avocado on whole wheat toast and top it with a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil for a simple yet delicious meal. If you have a sweet tooth, worry not. We have a guilt-free dessert option, baked apples. Simply core an apple and fill it with a mixture of oats, cinnamon, and a touch of natural sweetener. Pop it in the oven until it turns soft and golden. This delectable treat satisfies your cravings without adding unnecessary calories. Switching gears to a more substantial meal, grilled salmon is an excellent choice. High in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon offers numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation and promoting heart health. Pair it with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed asparagus for a satisfying and nutritious dinner. Craving a Mexican-inspired dish? Look no further than chicken fajitas. Load up on colorful bell peppers, lean chicken breast, and a variety of spices for a flavorful meal that won't derail your weight loss goals. Serve with whole wheat tortillas and a dollop of salsa for an added kick. For a lighter lunch option, try a refreshing cucumber and tomato salad. This simple yet tasty dish combines the crunchiness of cucumbers with the juiciness of tomatoes. Sprinkle with lemon juice, olive oil, and a pinch of salt for a tangy and delightful experience. Looking for a meat-free alternative? Quinoa and vegetable stir-fry is the way to go. Quinoa is a complete protein, and combined with a colorful assortment of vegetables, it creates a filling and nutritious meal. Cook with a splash of soy sauce and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for a satisfying, Asian-inspired dish. Last but certainly not least, a homemade vegetable soup warms the soul and helps you stay on track with your weight loss goals. Loaded with fiber and vitamins, this soup is both delicious and beneficial to your health. Experiment with different vegetables and spices to create your own unique recipe. Each of these 30 healthy recipes for weight loss offers its own advantages to a healthy life. From providing essential nutrients to keeping you fuller for longer, these dishes contribute to your overall well-being. So why wait? Start exploring these recipes and embark on your journey towards a healthier you today. Are you ready to discover the secret to a healthy and strong life? Well, you've come to the right place, where we dive deep into the type of foods you need to keep your body fit and fabulous. You stroll through a colorful farmer's market, breathing in the fresh aroma of nature's finest bounty as you explore the vibrant stalls. You can't help but feel a sense of excitement building up inside you, because you know that the food you choose today is going to power you towards a healthier lifestyle. Scene shifts to an energetic gym. But wait, why is it so important to choose the right foods? Well, imagine your body as a well-tuned machine. To operate at its best, it needs the right fuel, and that's exactly what we're here to talk about. So buckle up, and let's uncover the top foods to keep you on track. First up on our list is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are all packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support your overall health. Not only do they make a tasty addition to your salads, but they also work wonders in smoothies and stir-fries. Trust me, Popeye knew what he was talking about. Scene shifts to a fruit stand. Moving on, we can't forget about the vibrant world of fruits, filled to the brim with Antioxidants, vitamins, and natural sugars, fruits are the ultimate guilt-free pleasure. From succulent strawberries to zesty oranges, they add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your diet. So go ahead, pop that juicy grape or slice up that refreshing watermelon, your taste buds, and your body will thank you. Fish. Not only do they swim gracefully in the sparkling oceans, but they also provide us with omega-3 fatty acids that support brain function and heart health. Salmon, tuna, and sardines are swimmingly rich in these healthy fats, making them the stars of your plate. So fire up that grill or try out some mouth-watering recipes, and soon enough, you'll be reeling in the benefits. Scene shifts to a bustling kitchen. And how can we forget about protein? Whether you choose lean meats like chicken and turkey, or opt for vegetarian sources like beans and tofu, protein is your ally in building strong muscles, boosting immunity, and promoting satiety. So go ahead, flex those culinary skills and whip up a protein-packed meal that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. Full of nutritious foods. Just a few examples from a vast array of foods that can keep you on the path to a healthy life and strength. But remember, a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and good fats is the key to unlocking your full potential. Scene shifts to a gym enthusiast enjoying his healthy meal. What do you say? Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a healthier, stronger you? Then hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of like-minded individuals. Together, we'll explore mouth-watering recipes, enlightening tips, and debunk common nutrition myths. Upbeat music fades out. The time is now to take charge of your health and make nutrition your ally. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and let's conquer this adventure together. Stay strong, stay healthy. Scene fades out.